Model, 2001 Ford Transit 350 long wheelbase, 2.4 TDDI camper conversion needs MONOR repair, starts and drives fine. Body, grey, camper. Mileage, 148855. Engine, 2402 ccv 184 halves.4. Transmission, 5-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a diesel knock. The warmer the engine gets, the less than knock is it has been diagnosed and needing at least one or a couple of injectors. These are very cheap, mechanical injectors, the engine and gearbox and everything else. Mechanical is brilliant, definitely worth repairing, bargain. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear camping area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest camper van. Features, part service history, HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.